Welcome to the NASCAR Domino's Cup Series, the championship season finale. We're at Daytona International Speedway and not racing the 2019 rules package. We're using the All-Star package in 2018. So, Matt Crafton will replace Paul Menard because Menard has a neck pain. Here is your championship contender, Kurt Busch, which is PJ Nation. So PJ Nation, I hope you win. And the 42 of Kyle Larson, another championship contender, which is Brandon Gomez, who signed up for him. I hope you win. So let's get lit. Green flag in the air. Tandem drafting. Oh, crash! Almost a crash. Harvick gets loose. Let's see the replay. Here's the instant replay. Oh, and there's a crash. And there's a crash. Turn 2. Wow, car upside down. That's Kevin Harvick. Here's the instant replay. You see, Harvick gets loose. Denny Hamlin did not get attacked by Kevin Harvick. It was just the aerodynamic that caused it. And watch, he gets very loose. He gets on top. Up on his side. Look how many cars piled up. Kevin Harvick can be a few laps down, but they had to check for the suspension if there's any damage to it. A lot of damage to the right rear corner panel, and a lot of damage to the hood. A lot of damage to the front panels, to the left and the right. So he's a little bit alright. Kurt Busch has right front damage. Matt DiBenedetto has left rear damage on his car. David Reagan has a right front damage to his car, so he's going to be a lap down. A lot of backside damage for Ty Dillon. Luckily, that fuel cell is there. Now, about 30 years ago, that car would be on fire. That's a lot of damage to the back of the car. And a lot of damage to the left rear corner panel of Ryan Newman's car. And we're on our way for the restart. Green flag. And there's a piece of debris on the turns 3 and 4. But we still stay green. Oh! Crash! Brad Priest almost upside down. And Elliott on his side. And numerous cars involved. A lot of damage to Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Let's go to instant replay. Here's the instant replay. Logano gets out of attack. Oh, Boyer just got loose. Wow, Ryan Priest almost went over. Oh, Chase Elliott was on his side. He spins out. A lot of cars involved. Almost took a hold of the entire field. Here's your race winner at Daytona, William Byron. And here's our championship for season 1. Kurt Busch is your championship winner for the NASCAR Domino's Cup Series. Season 1. Congratulations to NASCAR Animator 2020. Congratulations to him. Get a shout out for him. So I hope you enjoyed this video and can't wait for the years to come. Can't wait for season 2 for the 2020 season.